think we can start now.
Yes. Welcome all. We will start with our prayer. Welcome to Vivekananda Yoga Kendra. So now we will start with the prayer. Gently close your eyes. Concentrate on your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Just focus your mind on your breath. Just imagine a Om in front of you. We will say 3 Omkars followed by prayer. So take a deep breath in for the Omkar. Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Om. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay, all slowly and calmly open your eyes, and we will start with our workshop that is on Tvacha Shuddhi Kriya, that is Tvak Shuddhi Kriya, that is cleansing of our skin. Our skin plays the main role, that is the 2 main roles are there. First is it is covered entirely on the body and it acts as a excretory system. It excretes dirt, that is through our sweat. The things it excretes and throws away excess water, salt from our body, then impurities of the body. So that should be cleansed. All our pores should be nicely opened for it to breathe and clean out whatever is there. So whatever dirt or toxic things are there in our body, the best part is it cleanses out nicely. The second is the temperature control. If it is cold, the skin will be little warmer. And when it is very hot, you will find our skin is little colder. So it maintains the temperature inside. The main and the next part is the touch, which all of you all know ki any part of the body, if you touch, and the entire body from head to toe is covered with skin. Somewhere there is a tender skin, somewhere there is a hard skin. On the palm it is hard, on the feet it is again, the sole of the feet is again harder. So that way, and on the skin, overall on the skin it is tender. The lip skin is different type. So everywhere the entire body is covered with skin. Now how to cleanse the skin? First is we take nice bath, proper clean bath with neat water and soap, that is called as jalasna, that is snan, that is normal cleaning which everybody does. The other things is Tvak Garshan, that is you take a Turkish towel, you wet it in the water, and then you are going to take it all over your body and cleanse it nicely, so the pores come out open, and this whatever the dead skin is there, that also is removed. तो जो अपनी स्किन होती है ना, ये अभी टॉवेल टर्किश टॉवेल, और एक है जो टॉवेल आप यूज कर रहे हैं ना, दूसरा कोई नहीं यूज करना चाहिए, सेपरेट टॉवेल ही रखना, क्योंकि देयर आर समटाइम्स इम्प्योरिटीज लाइक वॉट्स और वो चामखेड़ बोलते हैं ना, वो भी होता है. तो वो दैट इज that can be transferred to somebody. So you are not going to use anybody's towel or any napkin or anything. Always your towel and napkin should be separately kept and it should be dried completely before using. Okay. Now the second thing is you have to wet this towel in a lukewarm water और फिर अपने बॉडी के ऊपर अच्छे से रगड़ के you have to wipe it with clean thing. That is one way. Second is massage to your entire skin. अभी massage करने के लिए there are many ways to massage. We will go a little later. The snan which I said was, one is the proper bath. Second is Surya Snan. You sit in sunlight and take sun bath. That is when just 2 hours before, means just after sunrise only till 2 hours you can be there, and before sunset 1 hour. That time if you take sun bath, that is beneficial. बाकी पूरे दिन में सन बाथ नहीं ले सकते, it will damage your skin. जब सन बाथ कब ले सकते हो? सूर्योदय होता है उसके बाद में 2 घंटे के लिए, और सूर्यास्त जब होता है उसके पहले 1 घंटा. तो ये टाइम पे आप सन बाथ ले सकते हो. आप कभी भी बीच में आपको आया 12 बजे आके मैं सन बाथ ले सकता हूँ, तो उससे आपकी स्किन डैमेज हो जाएगी, तो तब सन बाथ नहीं लेना है. ओके. सन बाथ लेने से बेस्ट थिंग इज आपको डायरेक्ट डी विटामिन मिलता है. ओके. व्हाइल टेकिंग सन बाथ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू पुट एनी ऑयल ऑन योरसेल्फ. स्नान करने के बाद ही सन बाथ लेना है. दैट विल गिव यू मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट. टेक प्रॉपर बाथ, देन टेक सन बाथ, फिर जाके बाद में आफ्टर एन आवर यू कैन जस्ट हैव नॉर्मल वाटर बाथ, यानी जस्ट टू टेक अवे द स्वेट. उतना ही करना है. ओके. नाउ फॉर आवर ओन सेल्फ देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड मातृ स्पर्श. दैट इज स्लोली एंड टेंडरली वी हैव टू अपना हाथ अपने ही ऊपर मन से फिराना चाहिए कि दैट इज द स्पर्श विच वी आर गिविंग आवर सेल्फ. द केयरिंग स्पर्श, द मातृ स्पर्श ऑन आवर फेस, ऑन द हेड. वी शुड जस्ट अपना हाथ ऐसे फिराना चाहिए slowly and nicely, so we feel the warmth of our own self. The skin also requires caring from our end. अपने तरफ से केयर करना चाहिए अपने स्किन के लिए. Now we come to the main part is the massage, which is called as Twag Mardan. Mardan is massage. Massage करते हैं. तो there are different types of massage. First is when you start a massage, it should be very soft touch. एकदम हल्के हाथ से एकदम जोर से हाथ लगाया और मसाज करने लगे, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. It should be a soft touch, tender touch. प्यार का टच होना चाहिए जब आप मसाज करना चालू करते हो. स्किन के लिए, for head to toe, wherever the touch, your touch should be very soft. फिर बाद में you can increase the pressure. बट कभी भी किसी को मसाज करते हो या खुद के लिए भी, तो जोर से नहीं चालू करना चाहिए. It should be soft touch and then you start building it up. Now second thing, while doing massage, कभी भी it should be towards your heart. यानी आप जो मसाज कर रहे हो अभी हाथ को कर रहे हो, तो it should be towards. ऐसे नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए मसाज. मसाज ऊपर करना चाहिए, हाथ से ऊपर लेना चाहिए. Whatever you are doing is towards the heart. From leg also it should be upwards. यानी पाँव नीचे से ऊपर आना चाहिए. ब्लड हार्ट के तरफ पुश होना चाहिए, ना कि उल्टा होना चाहिए. ऐसा करके हम नीचे नहीं करेंगे, उल्टा करके करेंगे. Now I want you to just experience this. पहले अपना मुट्ठी कर लीजिए, अपनी मुट्ठी कर लीजिए. Everybody, हाँ. Now start brushing your hand over it and make it नीचे नीचे करके ना पूरा खून वहां से निकाल दीजिए. Okay, just do this. ऐसे करते रहिए. All of you all just do this nicely. Brush over it. See, now the blood is gone. Catch hold. Now see the skin starts turning white. Slowly when you leave it, see it has again turned back and the blood has gushed over there. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब हम मसाज करते हैं पूरा ब्लड वहां से डिस्पर्स होके बाजू निकल जाता है और फिर फ्रेश ब्लड विच इज गॉन टू द हार्ट एंड देन ऑक्सीजनेटेड, ऑक्सीजन मिलता है उसको, फिर बाद में फिर से वो जगह पे आ जाता है. तो ऑलवेज नाइस ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इज सप्लाइड टू दैट एरियाज वेरेवर वी डू मसाज. जहां पे मसाज करते हैं वहां पे ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड होता है. अभी ये है, इसको कहते हैं एफ्यूलराज, यानी फ्रॉम द अप मींस दिस इज द, हम स्किन को ऊपर के तरफ जो सब लेके जाते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एफ्यूलराज. नाउ पेस्ट्री सर्च करके है तो वो ना चिमटी में लेते हैं, ऐसे चिमटे निकालते हैं, द थंब एंड देन दिस द इंडेक्स फिंगर, ऐसे पकड़ के we have to pull our skin up away from the bone nicely. See this way. So this is one way of massaging. This is one way of massaging. Now another way of massaging is knitting way. knit करके, जैसे हम knit करते हैं बॉडी को, आटा गूंथते हैं आटा, वैसे ही हमको ऐसे मसाज करते वक्त गूंथना है, प्रॉपर गूंथना है अच्छे से. ऑल द बॉडी पार्ट्स नाइसली यू आर गोइंग टू मसाज इट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज knitting प्रोसेस. यानी अपनी बॉडी को गूंथते गूंथते उसको लूज करना है. देन इज फ्रिक्शन. ऐसे फ्रिक्शन करके वहां से ब्लड डिस्पर्स करके फिर से ब्लड आता है. सो पूरा बॉडी में ऐसे करते जाना होता है. देन टैम्पॉन्टमेंट. टैम्पॉन्टमेंट यानी ना ऐसे थपकी मारते हैं तो ब्लड है ना डिस्पर्स होता है फिर से आता है, थपकी मारते रहते हैं. देन कटिंग करते हैं. These are all the methods which are done for doing the massage. Entire body massage के लिए होता है. So these are the different types of massage. क्या क्या बॉडी मसाज होते हैं, I have explained you. कटिंग मेथड होता है, देन ओवर हियर कटिंग करते हैं, हाथ के ऊपर करते हैं. नाउ आई विल टेल यू सिंपल कैसे मसाज होता है बॉडी का, खुद का खुद करना होता है. सो हाउ यू डू इट, सिंपल वे. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर फिंगर्स. ओके, कैच योर फिंगर्स, टर्न पुल, टर्न पुल, टर्न पुल, ऐसे करते पूरे बॉडी में. नाउ आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द oils also, what you are supposed to apply for your body. See, first simple body oil कौन सा लगाना होता है. तिल का तेल है वो हम लगा सकते हैं, बट तिल का तेल है ना वो गर्मी में नहीं लगाना चाहिए, हीट प्रोड्यूस करता है, ठंडी में लगा सकते हैं. बेस्ट ऑयल कौन सा लगाना है, दैट इज कोकोनट ऑयल. प्योर कोकोनट ऑयल अपना जो होता है, हैंड प्रेस्ड कोकोनट ऑयल बोलते हैं. That is very nice for skin. Right from face, anything you can put coconut oil, head to toe. Coconut oil सब लगा सकते हैं. Okay. Then mustard oil only winter के लिए, यानी राई का तेल होता है वो गर्माहट लाता है बॉडी में, तो राई का तेल सिर्फ ठंडी में ही लगाना चाहिए. और जिनको अर्थराइटिस का प्रॉब्लम है या जॉइंट पेन का प्रॉब्लम है उनको पर्टिकुलरली जॉइंट पे राउंड मूवमेंट्स में डालना चाहिए, ऐसे राउंड मूवमेंट्स होने चाहिए. नेवर डू दिस, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए कभी भी जॉइंट्स पे. शोल्डर जॉइंट्स राउंड मूवमेंट, दिस जॉइंट राउंड मूवमेंट्स, नी जॉइंट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट राउंड मूवमेंट. राउंड मूवमेंट होना चाहिए एवरीवेयर. ओके. नाउ ऑलिव ऑयल इज ऑल्सो फॉर स्टिफनेस ऑफ द बॉडी. उसके लिए ऑलिव ऑयल लगाते हैं. स्वेलिंग्स एंड पेन के लिए ऑलिव ऑयल अच्छा है. देन कम्स आमंड ऑयल. आमंड ऑयल इज एक्सपेंसिव, यानी बादाम का तेल एक्सपेंसिव है, पर वो नर्व्स के लिए एकदम अच्छा है. तो अगर अपने स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के लिए, अपने फेस के लिए, हेयर के लिए अगर हम ऑलिव ऑयल, आमंड ऑयल यानी बादाम का तेल लगाएंगे तो वो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा है, क्योंकि क्रेनियल नर्व्स जो अंदर है अपने ब्रेन में, उनको बेनिफिट मिलता है आमंड ऑयल से। कॉड रिवर ऑयल इज फॉर वीकनेसेस, गाउट प्रॉब्लम्स, अर्थराइटिस के लिए कॉड रिवर ऑयल लगाना, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन एक्सपेंसिव थिंग. सो बेस्ट मसाज ऑयल इज this normal coconut oil. Now what I am doing is I'll be taking coconut oil for, because I am just going to show you how to do face massage after I explain you of the body massage. Okay, face massage आप सब मेरे साथ कर लीजिए, because I'll be doing it step wise and you also do it, so you know how to do it. अगर आपको चाहिए I'll give you 2 minutes. चाहिए तो coconut oil लाइए, नहीं लाया तो भी चलेगा. इट इज नॉट राइट नाउ रिक्वायर्ड, यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट इज डन. ओके, नाउ द थिंग इज फर्स्ट बॉडी के लिए ना, जस्ट फॉर दिस शोल्डर्स यू आर गोइंग टू डू मसाज लाइक दिस ओवर हियर, देन एंटायर बॉडी ऊपर आना चाहिए. द रिस्ट, नाउ सी हियर फ्रॉम इनसाइड टू आउटसाइड यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस वे. The body जो start होती है here, what I told you, turn, remove it, turn निकालना है. Here it is round movement because all these are joints. Okay, so round movement here. Now here wrist also round movement. Now here अंदर से बाहर. Okay, अंदर से बाहर, अंदर से बाहर, अंदर से बाहर. Here again round movement. Now for this बाहर से अंदर आना है. See the muscles are in this way कि बाहर से अंदर आना है, बाहर से अंदर आना है, बाहर से अंदर आना है. ओके, शोल्डर अगेन राउंड मोमेंट. नाउ नेक का होगा, दैट इज यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस वे because this is very stiff, so you have to keep on tapping like this over the sides. Okay, now for the stomach, अपने stomach के लिए it will be always from your left side to right side and down. उल्टा नहीं करना है, because अपना जो colon है it goes like this and down. So we have to go this way only. One this way, round and round. You are going to apply oil nicely और पूरे स्टमक को करेंगे. ओके, देन टेक योर हैंड लाइक दिस एंड ये मोमेंट होगा. ओके, दिस इज डन. नाउ फॉर द लेग्स. लेग्स के लिए जस्ट सी दिस, द सेम थिंग. फॉर द फिंगर यू आर गोइंग टू टेक, रोटेट, टेक इट आउट, रोटेट ईच फिंगर बाहर, rotate and take. Okay, now for the leg, अपना पाँव के लिए you are going to start with your calf. तो calf के लिए knitting होगा पहले this way. You are going to knit it over and then blood ऊपर आएगा. Varicose veins ऐसे होते हैं, तो ऊपर आएंगे तो all the venous blood which is stagnant over here will come up. Now घुटनों के लिए, as you know, it will be round and round because it's a joint. Hip again round because it's a joint. Hip joints है इधर. Okay. Now for the spine, हम spine के लिए we are not going to touch the spine. Spine को हाथ ही नहीं लगाते. Spine is very delicate, so you are not going to give any pressure on the spine. Spine के बाजू से, यानी यहाँ से you are going to just take it out this way. Okay, पर spine को हाथ नहीं लगाना है. Spine is the most delicate part, and then you can just do this. So the blood which is there will be dispersed and again it will come back. If you do this thing every day, you will have a very good health, because as it is said, सी मसाज करने से स्पेशली, सी विथ एक्सरसाइज आवर बॉडी गेट्स पावर, अपने मसल्स को पावर मिलती है, दैट ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल नो विथ एक्सरसाइज। योगा करने से मसल्स टोन होते हैं, बट विथ मसाज इट गेट्स द पावर ऑल्सो एंड दे गेट टोन्ड ऑल्सो, अपने मसल्स टोन भी होते हैं। तो आपको मालूम है कि जो ये करते हैं ना
पहलवान, कुश्ती प्लेयर्स,
पहलवान, हाँ कुश्ती के, आफ्टर देयर दे कसरत दे डू द मसाज, पहलवान लोग है ना वो मसाज करते हैं, दैट टोन्स देयर बॉडी एज वेल एज गिव्स देम द पावर। सो मसाज इज द बेस्ट। जिसको एक्सरसाइज करने को टाइम नहीं है, दे डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर दैट, डू मसाज फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ। आप है ना रात को सोने से पहले भी आप 20 मिनट्स निकाल के खुद के लिए मसाज कर सकते हैं, एंड देन नाइसली यू कैन गो टू स्लीप। अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग बिफोर बाथ you can sit, massage yourself for 20 minutes and then thoda kaam karke you can have bath. These are the 2 times you can have you can do your massage. Immediately after food massage mat kar lijiye, सोने के पहले it is always been said कि at least 3 hours before food you should means you should have food, before 3 hours you sleep, before that खाना खाना चाहिए, उसके बाद ही सोना चाहिए, ये तो आप सबको मालूम है। तो इसके लिए आप रात को सोने से पहले मसाज करके आराम से सो सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ द थिंग इज we will go for I'll give you small tips, that is the person who is suffering from hypertension should only massage for not more than 15 minutes. जिसको ब्लड प्रेशर का प्रॉब्लम है उसको 15 मिनट्स के ऊपर मसाज नहीं करना है। द न्यू बॉर्न बेबी के लिए भी मसाज हम लोग करते हैं, वो 15 मिनट्स होना चाहिए। देन 1 साल से 4 साल तक बच्चे के लिए 20 मिनट्स का मसाज इज इनफ। देन फॉर द यूथ, यंग लोगों के लिए बिफोर 60s they should massage for 30 minutes, and for old people it should be 40 minutes का मसाज is good for them, because उनका blood stagnantness ज्यादा होता है and the body requires that, so मसाज करने के लिए। now about the body parts, hand, leg 20 minutes मसाज कर सकते हो आप। then stomach के लिए 10 minutes, stomach and back 10 minutes, neck, the back of the neck and the throat area 5 minutes, head 5 minutes, so head and face also 5 minutes का मसाज होता है। okay, now we will do the massage for our face। okay, so how do we start? now all of you all will start with me so you will understand it also। okay, one more thing, the bones, we are not going to press anything on the bone को नहीं, massage on the muscles and not on the bone। pressure कभी भी bone के ऊपर नहीं देना चाहिए, it should be on the muscles। so even when I told you on the leg, I always said I did it from the back, आगे मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, because here the muscles are there, this is the bone, direct bone पे मसाज नहीं करते हैं। now we will start with the face। अभी face को करने के लिए I'll show you। first you have to take the oil और अपने head को लगाना है sideways। okay, यहाँ side पे लगा लिया हमने। now what you are going to do is see, side पे ऐसा लगाना है and nicely brush it with this 2 fingers or this 2 fingers, whichever is comfortable for you। okay, keep on brushing it nicely। ये करने के बाद then on your forehead, you can see on the forehead, that time the center of the hand and you're going to do this one। ये होने के बाद nicely you're going to put it. Okay, now what you're going to do is on the eyebrows. तो यहाँ पे हाथ रखना है and then you go over your eyes like this. From down you're going to come like this up, over, and from down up. See here the sinus के points होते हैं. So when you go over, you're just draining out the sinus points. Here you're going to take it this way, out again, over this way. Okay, upper round and then once here. Okay, इधर लेके जाने से यहाँ पे एक बार प्रेस करना है. So here also you will feel nice. After doing this, nose आता है. That time you're going to do this way. Am I clear with you all? सबको मैं बरोबर समझा रही हूँ, आपको समझ रहा है ना everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
the thing is this way you're going to do. Now after this on the upper lip nicely. Then the lower lip, upper lip, then the lower lip के नीचे, हाँ, not on the lip I'm saying, नीचे. Okay, फिर हाथ को फिर से लेके पूरा on the lips. Now the thing is from here you're going to go upwards, from down to up, from down to up, from down to up, from down to up. Okay, then ये ऐसा लेके from down to up till the ear, here ऐसे नीचे से. So these are the lymphoid glands which इधर lymphoid glands होते हैं, तो वो उधर से सब the blood, stagnant blood, the lymphatic system, everything वो जब सब निकल जाता है वहां से. Okay, now for the neck it will be upward moving. Okay, this way, and then again back of the ear. Okay, now comes the cheeks. अभी cheek के लिए क्या है? Round and
Sorry, ma'am, but what you did behind the ears, could you just show it on the sideways? Yes.
sideways से देखिए इधर से ऊपर लेके जा रही. From here I am taking it ऊपर लेके जा रही. ये ऊपर लेना है. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
So skin के लिए, अपने खुद के skin के लिए ऊपर लेना है. Sag नहीं करनी है, skin ऊपर लेके जाना है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Now the cheek. अभी cheek के लिए क्या है ना, simple. हाँ, अ आ ई हम लोग बोलते हैं, सबको मालूम है. अ आ ई उ ए आई ओ औ आहा. Simple. So now what you're going to do is rotate this and keep on saying this. See like this, huh? A I U A I O au aha. A I U A I O au aha. So all the muscles from the cheek get activated. अभी ये मसाज सबको हो गया, राइट? सब चिक को मसाज हो गया. द चिक मीन्स जो मसल्स अंदर है और बाहर है. विद दिस ई. सो दिस इज सिंपल मसाज विच आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू. नाउ ये सब करने के बाद लास्ट में एक बार नीचे लेके जाना है ये सब, बिकॉज दीज आर द क्रेनियल नर्व्स. अभी हमने ये ऊपर भेजा था, अभी lymphoid glands हार्ट तक तो छोड़नी चाहिए. तो then we are going to take it down this way. Last. and finish our face massage. So this was our face massage and the entire body massage, which doesn't take more than 20 minutes. And it will be beneficial for your health. आप घर में बैठ के खुद का खुद ही करवा सकते हो. And do it with normal natural oil. क्रीम लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. कौन से भी नॉर्मल ऑयल से ही आप ये मसाज कर सकते हो. And your skin will start glowing. You will only come to know within some days only कि स्किन कितनी अच्छी से ग्लो होती है. And yes, I forgot about the ear part. ईयर के लिए ना फर्स्ट ऐसे ईयर्स को ऊपर लेके जाके यू हैव टू रोटेट इट दिस वे. ईयर को थोड़ा पुल करना चाहिए ऑल द वे एंड देन दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू कम अप. वन मिनट. सी दिस वे फ्रॉम इनसाइड टू आउटसाइड. वन मिनट. See, like this. ऐसे करते जाना है. You have to come this way, outward. Okay? ये ears के लिए करना था, बाहर के तरफ. So these are the things which I have told you for your ears. And neck के लिए downward movement for the cranial nerves. Now I have completed explaining everything. Any questions if you want to ask me, you can ask me. ये सब मैंने आपको बोला है.
For the head.
Ma'am,
Head massage.
head massage.
Head how to do head?
हेड मसाज नहीं, एक्चुअली हेड मसाज मैंने आपको नहीं बताया है. राउंड बट अभी मैंने नहीं किया है वो. दिस इज फ्रॉम द हेड. ये स्किन के लिए है ना, हेयर के लिए किया है. द स्किन पार्ट आई हैव टेकन, हेयर आई हैव नॉट टेकन.
This is no face massage only one.
अगर चाहिए तो we will do it next time, but अभी हेड मसाज करना.
The one thing on face.
Yeah.
You are doing one unidirectional. Whether I can do the opposite side also. Face.
What sir?
Face.
हाँ.
You are doing like this, no?
हाँ.
Shall I do the other side, other way also?
See, when I'm saying round this way or this way, one action only. This way. Only thing is A-A-E-E you have to say. So saying that will activate all the nerves. एक ही साइड से जाना है ना, ऐसे जाएंगे या ऐसे जाएंगे. It will be a round movement. Only thing it is A-A-E-E. Normally,
for eyeballs, you can tell us for eyeballs what we can do.
नहीं, eyeballs you are not going to do any massage. Upper and lower eyeballs के लिए नहीं. Eyeballs palming के लिए भी नहीं बोलते हैं. We are asking you to keep your hands like this. eye को कुछ नहीं करना है मसाज विसाज. आई के ऊपर ऐसे जोर से लेके भी मत जाना हाथ. That is the most delicate organ. No, not for eyeballs.
What to do for acne, madam? For acne, you know, here and all we get acne. How to massage for that?
एक्ने के लिए मसाज नहीं करना है. फेस के ऊपर एक्ने के लिए मसाज नहीं. सी इफ यू हैव, ओके आई डिड नॉट टेल यू दिस, इन्फ्लेमेशंस है स्किन पे तो मसाज नहीं करना है. देन इफ यू हैव एक्ने प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर नॉट एक्ने के लिए.
And should we do with oil only or we can do without oil?
तो ना पाउडर मसाज कर सकते हैं. दैट विल रिमूव द दिस ऑयल. तो पाउडर मसाज कर सकते हैं वो लोग. पाउडर मसाज करते हैं.
एंड वॉट्स के लिए वॉट्स होगा तो
No skin problem, no rash, no skin problem वाले मसाज नहीं करना है.
नहीं सर, वॉट्स है ना नहीं होगा, पर वॉट्स नहीं जाएंगे. वॉट्स होते हैं किसी किसी के ऊपर, वो मसाज कर सकते हैं, पर वॉट्स ये कुछ नहीं कर सकते because it's a infection, it's a skin infection. What is a skin infection? That has to be removed. It has to be burnt out. Burn करके remove करते हैं, नहीं तो वो उसको ना एक chemical लगा के जलाते हैं. There is a solution which comes. So warts के लिए ऐसा कुछ मसाज नहीं है कि to remove the warts.
मैम मसाज के लिए जो तेल लेते हैं वो डायरेक्ट लेना है कि उसको ऑन करके लेना है?
You can take questions later on.
Okay, now the thing is, let us do one thing. Now over to sir now. I have completed this, sir. Let sir first take our meditation because it is already more than the time what was allotted. I'm sorry.
Sir, only one small question. After applying oil, have you?
Sir, listen, sir. Answer दूंगी after sir session.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so over to you, sir. We will just I'm
You
saying.
can explain to them about the touch, no, if you want.
Okay. See now, sir is going to take the meditation. So before that, what you're going to do is, all of you all do this. Do this practice, Rapan. जोर से हाथ एक दूसरे को ब्रश करना है, very vigorously.
Everybody do it, huh? Everybody do it. Everybody. I want everybody.
एकदम vigorously.
तो ये meditation का आनंद आएगा.
See, जोर से एकदम जोर से करना है. Now once it is done, close your eyes, take your hands away and start taking it near to your each other. यानी ऐसे पास लेके जाना है. You will feel ऐसे बीच में ना दोनों साइड से waves आते हैं. Just feel that waves आने लगते हैं. Now depends, पास है कभी कभी दूर से आता है. Just feel that. You will feel it. Feel that waves. ये हाथ से यहाँ तक waves आते हैं. Now for me it is still here. The waves are somewhere here. I can feel that. Just feel those waves. Slowly, slowly, they will subsidize.
As though you're holding a balloon.
कुछ हाथ में ऐसा रखा है, ऐसा फीलिंग आता है. Just feel that. एक बार फिर से करेंगे. जोर से ब्रश करके. Now take it away and slowly start bringing it near and feel it. If you close your eyes, तो ज़्यादा आपको समझ में आएगा कि there is the energy which is passing through each other. Do it very lightly. फिर ही समझ में आएगा. The energy is just happening. And you can just and rotate that ball. It is there. Just feel it. थोड़ा थोड़ा पास हाथ करके जाइए तो आपको कभी कभी छोटा भी मिलता है हाथ में. एनर्जी लेवल्स अपनी अपनी होती है. कभी ज्यादा दूर से ही मिलता है, कभी पास से मिलता है. Now my energy level is little lower side. Some people get it at a higher side. So see, I feel it somewhere here. The energy. Okay, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Pranjali, for the wonderful explanation. Thank you very much.
Now, sir will be taking our meditation.
Now, what did Pranjali madam do? Showing you the touch of the energy, the touch of the air, isn't it? So same we are going to go inwards now. So that is why we call it as meditation, inwards. Now, what are you going to touch inwards? You're going to touch the prana in the body. Okay, touching the prana. And maybe with a lot of practice, you can go beyond it by directing it to wherever there is pain, wherever there is sensitivity in the body, you will feel it more. Okay, so just try to do this mudra, the Chinna mudra, Dhyan mudra, whatever name, don't bother. Now you slightly press it and release. Give pressure and release. Don't take out your fingers or your thumb. Don't separate them. Press and release. You can keep it on your thighs and do it now. One finger at a time. One hand at a time. Just press it and release it.
We can see.
Press and release. Press and release. Now go for the left hand. Left finger, index finger and thumb. Press and release. Press and release. The nerve impulses you will feel there. Don't separate your fingers. Fine. Second, all three fingers down. Okay. Chinna mudra. Now you press it. Release. Press. Release. Don't take out the touch of the tip of the fingers. Okay. Keeping it down. I'm showing it to you like this because you can see it. It has to be down. Hands will be down. Touch, release, touch, release.
Sir, in Chinmay Mudra, we have to press the three fingers.
Yes,
or
yes,
only-
three fingers. Three fingers.
Also,
Yes, three fingers.
also the three fingers which are touching the palm.
Yes, yes. And keeping it on your thighs. Keeping over your thighs or over your knees. Feel the nerve impulses. They are very subtle. शिव कुमार जी नीचे रखना, ऐसा नहीं रखना है, आपको फील ही नहीं होगा. आपके नीज के ऊपर रखिए, नहीं तो आपके थाइस के ऊपर रखिए, जांघे के ऊपर. Stop. Now put your thumb inside, fingers folded, make a mushti, thumbs will be inside. Again press it and release. Press, release, press, release, press, release, press. उसको महसूस करना है आपको. The prana, the impulses. Only with your closed eyes you will be able to do it. Your eyes are open, looking here and there, it will not happen. इसमें बहुत concentration लगता है. Release. Release completely. Now you're going to do the Namaste Mudra near your chest. Both your thumb touching the chest. Thumb touching the chest. Feel the heartbeats. Slowly release the thumb away from the body, slightly, just 1 inch or 2 inches from the body. Separate both your palms just 1 centimeter. Just 1 centimeter. Feel the vacuum, the air, 2 centimeters. Slowly, slowly, 3 centimeters. Now come back to 1 centimeter. Now feel that pressure, huh? You need to feel the pressure. That is a touch of that air, the touch of the prana. This is from outside, then we'll go inside, slowly, slowly. The physical body, the gross body or the matter. Then the Shushma Shari, we'll go to Shushma Shari. Feel it nicely. It can come to 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Again, feel it. The vacuum created, the force created there between both your palms. Now you're just going to circulate your palm very slowly. Circulation of the prana. So घुमाना है, धीरे धीरे घुमाना है, धीरे धीरे घुमाना है. Circulations. With the feeling of that air, that pressure which is there, you're rotating it. Like tennis ball को rotate कर रहे हो आप. You have kept the tennis ball between both your palms. Feel that circulation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Is it clear? Down. So far clear, everyone? Yes, okay, slow for everybody. I think everybody could feel the air, the space, the force. Yeah.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can, yeah.
Yes.
Fine, no, everybody. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Now you can lie down or you can sit and do it. Okay, preferably lying down is better because the energy levels will feel much better than sitting down. After lying down practice, maybe when you're used to it, you can do sitting down also. Or you can lie down. And you have to only follow my instructions. In this 15 minutes, you are going to touch the energy, the prana in your body. And you are going to train your mind how to direct it. That is why we are called as human beings and not animals. This is only one thing what we can direct our prana as we want. This is also called as pranic energizing technique. But we are not doing it here, the full process of PET. Just giving you the glimpse, the idea. Now your hands apart. Legs apart. Not very far away your legs. Just around 1 feet or half a feet, your legs. Palms away from the body. Do the Chinna Mudra, the first one. Go for the right hand, thumb and the index finger. Press. Feel the impulses. The nerve impulses. Release. Feel the nerve impulses and release. Traveling from the palms, right palm to your right wrist, the right forearms, elbow joint, press, release. Again going up, your whole arm. पूरे हाथ पे महसूस करना है उसकी ऊर्जा को. Now go for the left hand. Press, release, press, release. Feel the impulses traveling. Sensitize it properly. Enhance it properly, just below your skin. Going up, wrist, going up towards your arms, towards your elbows, your upper arm, and towards your shoulders. Now both together, right hand, left hand, and feel the nerve impulses traveling from the wrist to your forearms, elbow joints, your upper arm, your shoulders, your neck, and to your head. Now go up to your head. Now Chinmay Mudra. Chinmay. 3 fingers down on your palms, the tips touching the palms. Press and release, press and release. Feel the impulses traveling from your wrist to your arms, above your arms, to your shoulders and to your head. Once you reach the head, come back to the Adi Mudra. Come inside, making a fist. Press and release. Press and release. Again, feel the flow of the prana. All over your arms, going upwards. Shoulders and the head. Come in the Namaste Mudra, near to your heart. Keep your palms 1 centimeter away. Slowly, slowly, the gap between two arms, try to increase them very slowly with the touch of the air. Slowly bringing it back. Feel the touch of the air. There will be a vacuum created in between both your arms. Feel it nicely. Don't stop until you have felt it. नमस्ते मुद्रा में आना है. हाथों को धीरे धीरे लंबे लंबे करना है. हथेलियों को धीरे 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 पास में लाना है. जैसे आप एक कर रहे हो, उस प्राण, उस ऊर्जा को महसूस करना है. Slowly bring your hands down. Now you have felt the energy, the prana in the body. त्वचा के नीचे. अब धीरे धीरे bring your awareness to your right ankle joints, your right heels. अपने एड़ी पर आइए, बाएं दाएं एड़ी पर. Now feel the prana flowing from the back of your feet, your calf muscles, back of your knees, the hamstring muscles, coming up slowly, slowly to your buttocks, gluteal, thumb, your hips, slowly on your back, above the hips. Now bring your awareness to your palms. The energy also flowing from there, from the wrist, coming upwards. Back of the wrist, the elbows, the triceps, the back of your upper arm, and the back of your shoulders. Now, from the hip, just beside the spine, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up to your shoulder blades, and there, at the shoulders. Now to your right neck, the right side of your throat, at the back, back of your head, right side of your head, at the back. The whole flow is at the back now. At the right side of your head, on the top of your head, the right side. Slowly, slowly coming to the right side of your forehead in the front. Into your eyes, into your nose, the right nostrils, the right cheeks, down towards your right jaws, in the front, the throat, the front of your neck, the right side of your neck, the right side of your muscles, the chest muscles, down to your right lungs. Go according to your speed. I only give you the instructions. Follow the flow of your prana. Down to your right thighs, to your right hips, to your right thighs, on the front side of your thighs. Down below your knees, the bone which is there below your knees. Going down to the ankle joint at the front of your feet, and to all your toes, and it has been released. It has been released from the toes. Now bring your awareness to your left heel at the back. Slowly, slowly going up towards the calf muscles. Back of your knees, your hamstring muscles, the back of your thighs, the gluten, the buttocks, the thumb, and up and there, left palms, your fingers at the back of your wrist, back of your elbows, going up slowly, slowly. Upper arm at the back of your upper arm, the triceps, up to your shoulders, back of your shoulders. And there you are. Now from the hip, back side of your hip, coming up from the buttocks, coming up, 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 just besides the left side of your spine, coming up and joining at the shoulders. The energy brought by the arms. Now back of your neck, just beyond your throat, the left side of your head, back of your head. Slowly coming on the top of your head, left side of your head. Slowly, slowly on the forehead, coming down, downwards, left side of your forehead, your left eye, your left nostrils, your left cheeks, left side of your jaws, down to your neck, left side of your neck, at the front of your neck. Slowly towards the muscles on your left side of your chest and the heart, the core organ of the body, working 24/7. Down from the heart to the left lungs, the left side of your stomach, the left hip, the hip joints, the left thighs, the knees, the bone below the knee, slowly, slowly towards your ankle joints. Take your own time, please. And to your feet and out. Out from your toes. You have balanced both the sides of your body. If they are not balanced, if there is some weight on the other side or maybe the left side, try to go again. Try to do this process again. If your left is heavier, right is heavier, right hand is heavier, left hand is heavier. The part which is heavier should relax. So you try to take the prana from there, releasing it out from the toes. बहुत ही सूक्ष्म होता है ये प्राण, उसे महसूस करना है आपको धीरे धीरे चलते हुए शरीर के अंदर चल रहा है। जैसे एक चींटी होती है, like an ant which travels, you'll have those sensation of an ant crawling on your body in that particular meridian, the particular nadi where your mind is focused. Some places which are very sensitive in your body, there will be pain or the rush of the blood will be more there. So try to find it out. The touch of the prana. Now, you all are ready for the final round. Now with both your left and right legs both together, from the front and from the back, both. From your feet, the whole feet, the prana coming upwards, ankle joints, the whole ankle joint, the below the knee, the calf muscles, the bones, the knees, the back of your knees, the prana flowing very slowly. Sensitize it properly. You need to sensitize. You can take your own time. Your thighs, your hamstring muscles traveling upwards, both your buttocks, your hips. Once you come to your hips, your palms, both your palms, from the tip of your fingers, the prana, the energy. Feel the flow coming upwards towards your shoulders. Now try to get the prana from your hips completely up from the front side of your body towards the shoulders. Very slowly from the lungs, the left side heart, the right side muscles, the intercostal muscles, the front side of your neck. Now go at the back, try to pull, try to take the prana upwards, just beside your spine, coming upwards very slowly, very gently, on your back of your neck, back of your head, and out from both your nostrils. Go for one more time. From your feet, take your own time without any instructions. Give auto suggestions to your own self. बहुत ही सूक्ष्म होता है ये प्राण, ये अपने आप कर लीजिए अभी, अपने आप से करना है पूरी तरह से। वो प्राण वायु उसको महसूस करना है, अपने तलवे से लेकर सर तक और अपने दोनों नथुनी से बाहर आना चाहिए धीरे धीरे ऊपर की ओर। टेक योर ओन टाइम and slowly exhale it out completely. In the end, feel the touch of the prana in your nostrils. And as you put it down, exhale out from your nostrils, your whole body is relaxing. Your body has been completely relaxed in the silence of bliss. Ananta Samapati Bhayam. Total relax, totally in silence. Merge yourself into that prana completely. Merge your whole body as though you're dipping your body into that prana. Merge yourself completely. The prana, the vital force, the energy, the powerful energy. Feel the silence of bliss. Feel that supreme well-being. You have completely merged yourself into this prana. Now slowly Bring your awareness to your feet. Move the fingers of your feet, the toes, the small toes. धीरे धीरे ध्यान अपने शरीर पर लाइए. अपने पांव की उंगलियों को थोड़ा थोड़ा हिलाइए, हाथों को हिलाइए धीरे धीरे, हाथों की उंगलियों को हिलाइए धीरे धीरे से. Come to one side. Those who are lying down, come to one side and sit down. Very gentle movements, no jerky movements. Be with that blissful state of mind, the silence. The touch of the prana, the powerful energy, the vital force, which is the manifestation of this whole creation. When you go more subtler, the manifestation of the mind, and more subtler, the higher consciousness. We're just there. Slowly sit down. Join your palms. You go for a prayer, the Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashet dukha bhagave, ma kashet dukha bhagave. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Go for the farming. Slowly open your eyes, on your face. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Yes, sir. We enjoyed very nicely.
That's very nice.
You can share your experience instead of a lot of commotion. You can share your experience in the group. Okay, fine. Everyone, share.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yes, please.
Can if the pregnant lady is on bed rest, can she apply oil massage at the back?
No. Don't do anything for pregnant woman, please.
At the back also?
No, nothing. No massage to pregnant woman. Point blank answer.
Okay.
I can massage a pregnant woman. I can massage a pregnant woman. Very few people in India are there who can massage a pregnant woman. Okay, it is very risky.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you have to have a good doctor or a good person who knows the massage, proper massage therapy. Then only you can go for it. Okay. Otherwise, no. I just say no. Yes. Any skin disease, no. Any skin disease, no. Not even on the sun. No sun bath. No sun bath also for skin disease. No sun bath also. And sun bath is taken. You are going to connect with the sun, not just standing there and talking to your friends or on the phone or listening to music. No, you have to connect with the sun. Then only you will get the effects of the vitamins, what you want, what the sun wants to give you. Okay, understand this very carefully. We call it as Surya Yoga. Yoga means union. You should be with the sun. Very important. तो ही आपको उसका benefit होगा. We have done a research on the people who are working on the road in the sun. They had vitamin deficiency D. They are working in the sun, but they were not connected with the sun. So try to understand when you go for your walks, whatever, you're not going to be on your mobile, neither going to speak to anybody. You're going to keep your eyes closed and be with the sun, do a Surya Namaskar prayer, or just say chant Surya Namaskar or put some affirmation to Surya God. That's it. In your own language, whatever. But you have to be connected at least for 10 to 20 minutes. Very important. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir, for a lovely.
I could feel vibrations in my fingertips.
Yeah,
and
very
you were
good.
telling us to.
So that vibration should travel above. Go up. आप उसको ऊपर लेके जाना है. If there is pain somewhere, if there is somewhere pain, try to divert it there. Only human beings can do this. Try to divert it there, but it will take time. It will take a lot of training of your mind. Okay, it is not so easy. In this 15 minutes, what you're experiencing is not like that. It requires a lot of practice. Yeah, please. Yeah. Jayanti ji, yeah, you're putting your hands up. Yeah.
Sir, when you asked us to feel the prana traveling from the thing, does it reach the left side?
Yes, yes. Left side of your head.
Yeah.
Brain cells, your brain cells. I didn't go much. I didn't do much. I just gave you a simple one.
Okay.
Yeah, because you have to be familiar with the prana first. No?
Okay.
You have to be familiar with the prana. You have to be familiar first.
Yeah.
When I practice, I just practice for 5 minutes. I just sit here. I just practice 5 minutes. It is there. It's coming up.
Okay.
It's going up. It's there. It hit my cell now. It hits my brain.
Sir, those who are interested,
down.
they can come for spiritual meditation.
Yeah.
They are
you can
liking
join-
it. That
yeah.
We have regular spiritual meditation, so you can come for it. It is in the morning and in the evening too. Morning it is 6:15 to 7 o'clock, and in the evening it is 7:30 to 8:15.
Yes.
So either of the batch you can join. You will enjoy it. If you are liking the meditation, then you join that spiritual meditation class.
And so this sunbath is generally what time? 7 to 9 or something?
Yeah, 7 to 9. Yeah, just like as
From
Pranjit madam said,
sunrise
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Simple count it. If the sunrise is at 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, finish it off.
Okay.
It depends upon the sunrise. No, sunrise 7 o'clock होता ही नहीं है.
Okay.
Sunrise कभी-कभी 5:30 बजे भी होता है.
Yes, yes.
So it is 2
Depends.
hours from the sunrise and 1 hour before sunset.
So suppose now there are old people who cannot go out of their house. They can stand near the window wherever the sun is coming, you know, or
Okay.
evening or morning. Just even keep their palms out. Even keep their palms out. You know,
Okay.
they can get the. But they have to be connected. Huh? That is very important. That is a very important.
Yes.
Surya Yoga. That's why we say called it Surya Yoga.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
If the sun, comes in our this thing only by 9 o'clock, so is it okay to stand there at that time?
No.
No, direct sunlight is not good always. But what you can do for that reason, if it's coming at 9 o'clock in your window, what you can do is, like as Pranjali madam said, you have to have a good bath and come out, right? Huh? You can have a cotton cloth, you know, jo manjar kapda hota na, cotton cloth, what is that? Yeah, that cotton cloth you can have, you know, place it on your palms or whatever you're showing your legs and just cover it up and you can take the sun bath. But it will not be so effective as what is going to be effective 2 hours before.
Correct.
I hope I'm correct, Pranjali madam.
Sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
How to get rid of acne that I suddenly started developing right now?
Now you have to diagnose yourself. First is diagnosing. See, I cannot tell you just, I don't see you also, you're not video also not on.
So
I cannot answer your question, first of all. And if I'm answering, I may do a mistake by saying that isse hoga, usse hoga, aisa hoga. You have to see, you have to diagnose the patient properly according to naturopathy and according to Ayurveda Shastra or homeopathy or any so-called, it is called as alternate medicine in India, but it is the primary medicine all over the world. तो इंडिया में इसको alternate बोलते हैं. Alternate medicine में diagnose करना जरूरी होता है. We take 1 hour with the patient to diagnose why it is coming. We don't work on the symptoms, we work on the cause.
okay.
Yeah, so that is the reason we cannot tell you. That is why we are telling skin disease, and skin disease is a very, very vast subject and it is a very dicey subject. Nobody could, even allopathy medicines cannot cure skin disease. Till today, till now, though the technology has become so. But in naturopathy, we have taken a lot of serious cases in our Panvel ashram, the Nera Shantivan, where our Dr. Kaustubh Salvi sir, you might be knowing, most of you might be familiar with him, Dr. Kaustubh Salvi. So he has treated a lot of patients with serious skin disease.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
I can give a small tip on
Yeah.
acne. A small tip I can give. Those who have dark patches because of acne, ना सुबह सुबह जो बिना मुंह धोए हुए सलाइवा होती है ना, थूक होती है अपनी, वो उसको लगानी है for 15 minutes. Acne means वो डार्क स्किन निकल जाती है.